Hello. They're building over there is an abandoned Subway restaurant in Sunriver, Oregon. So let's take a look at it. Shall we begin? The sign is still intact. As far as you know, this Sunriver shop closed its doors in August 2024. Such a shame, but not a surprise. This space is for lease. Here's what the inside looks like. Wow, there are a lot of things left behind. It looks like they're closed for today. I wasn't expecting to see this at all. That's crazy. I thought the inside was gonna be completely empty. I wish that was the case, not gonna lie. That's what Subway usually does when they go out of business. I wonder how long this place is gonna sit empty for. I'll probably never know. I forgot that this one was also owned by the same owner when she operated other former locations, such as those in Sisters, the Portland area, and Vancouver. In fact, I actually filmed a close Subway in Sisters. If you haven't seen the video yet, the link is in the description below. Otherwise, thank you very much. The reason the owner had to close many of her Subway stores, including this one, was that her bank account was reportedly hacked, leaving her unable to pay business expenses. The notice on the door stating they were closed due to expedition issues. This Subway and others ran out of food ingredients after vendors stopped delivering because payments were not made. It reminds me of what happened to Sherry's, but the story is completely different from the issue the Subway stores faced. I saw on Google that the Subway had a lot of bad reviews. Honestly, that's not a surprise. It's pretty much common in businesses nowadays. Here's the last shot. And that'll be it. That's gonna wrap up the video. Make sure to like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching, and until next time, see you on the other side.